Today we're buying, reviewing, and testing a Hikity 10-inch LCD screen portable, and this is by Factor. I was looking for a small monitor as a second screen for my laptop, and this is what I found on Amazon. The Hikity 10 inches small HDMI monitor portable LCD. As you can see, this brand came in 10 inches, 11 inches, and 13 inches. For the price and what I was looking for was smallest monitor available. This one looks really good. It came with a cable, remote control, built-in speakers, and they're assured this is worth for PC or for security cameras or for Raspberry Pi or Xbox. The display is 1024 by 600 pixels, and it has a really good reviews, as we can see here. Has 449 global ratings. The 53% is a good reviews. Some people with bad reviews says that they have problem with the shipping, not with the monitor, mostly with the shipping. So I thought I'd give it a try because this is what I was looking for. There is another brands, another prices, but other screens in this size had too many bad reviews. So this is the best monitor that I can find with good reviews. It comes with a support, comes with a power cable, HDMI. You can connect it by AV, USB, and even BNC. Built-in speakers. So for me, it was kinda I was looking for. So let's open this box. Okay. It's the brand Hikity. The box came with a support email, 30 days money back. So that's good if in case it don't work. It's a really good package. So let's see. For one to protect the package. Okay, this is the screen monitor. This is the first what we found here. It comes in a bag, a foam bag, as you can see, to protect it. The buttons, menu, plus, minus, AV, power button. It's really light, it's not heavy. HDMI, AV, antenna, USB. Okay, let's put this over here. This is the content of the box. And here we found all the cables. They came with all the cables you need to installation. The mounting support. We're gonna install it right now. The remote. The power. Antenna cable. HDMI cable. AV cable. This is a sticker for the mount, to mount this. Even you can use some screws also. Okay. This is really straightforward. It's just a monitor. I'm gonna plug this in to have power. Let's put this here. You can see, and put it in right here. Let's try it just with the power. We have power. No signal. Turn this off. Try with the HDMI, because that's what I'm gonna be using it for a second screen for my laptop, so I'm gonna be using the HDMI cable. Let's connect this to the computer. And we're supposed to see the Amazon page. And let's turn this on. There is no signal. It's not touchscreen. Okay. Still no signal. Let's check the settings on my computer. Okay, we have to change the input. Let's see. HDMI. Okay. My window has detected the second screen. I have two screens. As you can see, two screens right there. As you can see, there is my second screen right there. Right there. So it's working in HDMI. This is my second screen right here. So it's showing the Amazon page right there on my Windows. As you can see, the image is really clear. For what I'm gonna use it is really cool. It's not heavy at all. So made it portable. Actually in the same case of my laptop. Alright, let's turn this off. We're gonna put the mounting here. See, there's no instructions to how to put this on. But as you can see in the picture, this part is the bottom, this is the top, so we have to put the screen somehow here. Let's try this out. I will think that this little square should be going in here, but it's not working. So let's try to pull it out. Yeah, right there. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. Just then screw this slowly. There's another screw right here. You want to put this, fix it, and that's it. This is our monitor. Working. Okay, you can move this over. So if you buy this monitor at Amazon, right now is sorry. I just changed the monitor. So there is a 10% coupon right now. So that's gonna let you $65. So for $65, I think is a great monitor to use it as a second screen or a monitor for security cameras or even for kids for Nintendo or PlayStation or second screen for any PC. So I think it's worth the money. Let's see how much time of use can support this monitor. I hope it's going really well. This is it for now. See you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and comment and let me know any questions. See you in the next video.